We're doing a routine today that you can do at your desk, whether you're working in an office or at home. Take a few minutes for this break to help your body feel a little better during the day. So we're gonna sit up nice and tall, and I want you to feel yourself heavy into your chair, and I want you to then reach your right arm up and just lean yourself over to the side, and then come back to center. Take it the opposite way. So even if you have just a little space in your office, you should have room here to get moving, right? So it's so important to just check our posture and our breathing during these days. So easy to just get kind of sucked into whatever we're doing at our desk, and suddenly we're hunched over and so tight, especially up in those shoulders. So now what I want you to do is bring both hands behind your head, and you're gonna rotate to one side and then exhale back to center. Inhale the other side. Exhale, center. So these exercises I'm giving you are meant to help really stretch and open up the areas that get tight when we're sitting at a desk all day. So we're helping that upper spine, we're helping open up our chest, our shoulders, helping with those knots that you get, right? Sometimes in your neck and your shoulders. One more each side. So if you can take a break once or twice during the day to do this short routine, that can make a really big difference. Okay, come back to center. Now we're gonna lean over to one side and come back up, and then take it the other way. So in addition to doing this routine, I also recommend that you set an alarm, and every hour you get up from your desk. Maybe you just walk to get a glass of water, maybe you're going to the bathroom, maybe you're going to the copier, whatever it is. Try to move your body in some way every hour, okay? And then back up. Nice job. Bring your arms down to your sides. What I want you to do is lift your right arm up, and as you do, you're gonna look over your left shoulder and then come back down. Same side, so right arm up, look over to the left, and then come back down. So you'll notice here we're doing a lot to get that upper spine moving, which is gonna help, again, with that posture and kind of that hunching feeling that we get over our computer screens and keyboards. Nice job, other side. So left arm up, look over your right shoulder. And don't worry about anyone seeing you too. If you are in an office, let them see you move. It's probably gonna encourage them to do the same thing. Good job, one more. And come back. Nice, now I want you to take your right foot up and cross it over your left knee. So you're gonna stay nice and tall here, and if you need more of a stretch in that right hip, you're gonna lean yourself over those legs. So we're stretching out right hip, right piriformis specifically. Nice, and just find some nice deep breaths. That alone can help us during busy and chaotic work days as well, especially if you feel yourself being stressed, if you're working on a deadline. Taking just 5 minutes to move and breathe can help you come back to that project refreshed, maybe with a more creative thought process. You might be able to look at a problem a little bit differently and find a solution just by stepping away for a moment. Good, and then other side. And then when you're ready, you can lean forward. And this stretch and movement routine can also be used when you are waiting at an airport, right? If you are sitting in the bleachers for a long game that you're watching, anything like that, use this routine, this kind of full body stretch and breathing routine to help your body out. Nice, and then sit back up. And then now I'm gonna turn towards my desk. I have some space, so you might just need a little bit of space here. Move your keyboard out of the way. And what I want you to do is reach your hands forward. And then also, if you can, reach the chair back. So you'll see I'm getting this big stretch in my upper back. So it just depends on how much space you have. You might be able to come back enough to let your head hang. And just breathe here for a moment. Nice, and then slowly come back up. Press down into your desk as you lift your head and your chest for this little bit of a back bend. Nice job. Release that. Go ahead and scoot back. Take an inhale. And then exhale. Tuck your chin. Roll yourself down. Just let your head hang, arms hang, and then take an inhale. And exhale. Roll back up. Reach both arms up towards the ceiling. Big inhale. Last one. And then exhale, arms come back down. Nice job. So you've created some space in your body. You've created some space here to help you think through the next task that you're moving to, help your posture, help those knots that you get, and help you get through the day. I will see you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.